What is good, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Connor. I am a graphic designer and lettering artist from Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a brand spanking new channel, so be excited. I plan on using this platform to take you guys through the projects that I get as a freelancer. These projects include, but are not limited to, murals, branding and logo design, digital illustration, sneaker customs, tutorials, all of the things. If this is the content that you're looking for when searching the vast plains of the interwebs, please consider subscribing. You can follow me on my Insta at typebycone. It will be somewhere over here, as well as in the description below. Also, drop a like on this vid, pretty please. That would be wonderful. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. I want to talk to you kids about murals. What is a mural? Now you guys at home are probably saying, Connor, a mural is just a big piece of art. Well, you'd be right. This is definitely one of my favorites when it comes to a freelance project. A mural can really liven up a space, and it creates a lot of value for the business when it comes to experiences. Who doesn't want to snap a pic with a mural for the gram? So long story short, there's a new coffee shop opening up downtown called Golden Fog, and it's going to be flippin' fantastic. The owner was super rad and gave me free reign to come up with a design to throw up in his shop. Just a disclaimer, 99% of clients will not do that, so I'm extremely stoked. Step one for a project like this would be for you to grab the dimensions of the wall that you're working on and then start sketching. Usually that means for me, loosely on pen and paper, and then the final proof will be digitized on my trusty iPad. And here it is, the final proof. Now from here, there are a couple of ways to transfer your art to the wall. The easiest being to project and trace. That is what we will be doing for this project. Step number 3 will be to gather your materials. You will be needing paint, some sweet brushes, all of the paint markers, little tiny baby cups, paper towels. It's gonna be messy, y'all. And finally, a tarp. Now, this guy isn't actually necessary, but if you are not well versed in painting, especially with latex paints, you're probably gonna wanna use this. And then you're good to go, baby. Actually, I need to grab some more materials. I have most of the paint that I need, but there's a specific color that I don't have yet, so we're gonna go and grab that. I can show you where to look. Next stop, Home Depot. And then from there, we'll head to the spot. All right, just got to Home Depot. Let's see what they got. Alright, so we got brushes, latex brushes, a whole bunch of different sizes. Good. We have our paint. Need that paint. Air Ultra. Nice yellow there. These things are a godsend. Paint keys. Opens it up. And then obviously, some good tape. Success. Home Depot is done. Whew! Time for lunch. You hungry?
Hungry.
Let's go get some food.
Should we go get haircuts?
Yeah. All right, we're in the neighborhood, downtown Las Vegas. I'm sure you saw the montage. It's super hip and happening over here. The light's terrible. Should be good. We're gonna start the projection, which is why it is so dark. Golden fog time. Get it. So essentially, it's as easy as this. Projector going on over here, and we're projecting it onto the wall. Nice and crispy. I know a lot of people use chalk for this, and I probably should use chalk. I just feel that paint marker is more permanent, so when I'm working on it for multiple days, it's easy for me to see where I've left off. You just have to be a lot more precise with your sketches so that you can cover the paint with the chalk markers. Yeah, see how it goes. Day number 2, I'm joined by the beautiful Kylie. She's gonna be painting with me today, downtown Las Vegas. Let's go. So we're well in it. All the builders have left. It is looking pretty good so far. Miss Kylie doing her thing up there. Say hi. I made a mistake, very big mistake, and I'll tell you why. We have our trace blue paint marker, which is fine. Everything else is quite dark, our paint, so it just goes straight over. All good, except for the freaking yellow. The yellow paint obviously does not do well with the freaking blue marker. So it's gonna take us another extra hour to go over it with a couple of coats. As you can see, if you look closely, you can freaking see it. Anyway, we in here. Getting it done. All right, you guys, that's it. That's the whole thing. Shout out to Snipped. He is an artist living in Las Vegas and just so happens to be the owner of Golden Fog Coffee. Without him, this video wouldn't have been possible. Thank you so much. Give him a follow on the Insta. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm super excited to bring you more content that's focused around getting out there and creating. Let me know if you have any more questions on the process. I know I didn't go like super in depth, but I'm always available down in the comments. Absolutely. Leave a like if you'd like to see more mural vids. I have a lot more exciting things to share with you guys, so stay tuned. And without further ado, let's check out that final piece one more time. Thanks a lot, everybody.